Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
The salary information for players is shown in the graph below. Baseball, basketball, and football are among the items. The year is represented on the horizontal axis, which ranges from 1970 to 2000. According to this graph, baseball had a value of roughly 100,000 in 1970, while basketball had a value of around 0. The greatest value of baseball, according to this graph, is 150,000, which occurred in the year 2000. Basketball's lowest value, according to this graph, is about 0, which occurred in 1970. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
From 2000 to 2004, the following graph shows data on adult literacy by region. As can be seen, Latin America and the Caribbean have the highest percentage, with 89% of girls and 91% of males. Asia has the second highest percentage, with girls reporting 73% and males reporting 86%. Sub-Saharan Africa, on the other hand, has the smallest amount, with 53% of females and 79% of males. In conclusion, males in all regions had a higher adult literacy rate than females.
The graph below depicts the price of a home in New Zealand. New Zealand and the OECD are among the items on the list. The horizontal axis represents the year, which ranges from 1989 to 2014. According to this graph, New Zealand's value in 1990 was around 100, and the OECD's was nearly the same. New Zealand's highest value, according to this graph, is $250, which is in the year 2007. New Zealand's value is higher than the OECD's, according to this graph. Finally, the OECD has experienced fewer changes.
The graph below shows the percentage of students from underprivileged backgrounds who enroll in university in England. Years and student percentages are among the items. The value of 2007 is roughly 12%, as you can see from this graph. The value of 2008 is roughly 13% greater, as you can see from this graph. The value of 2014 is near 18, which is the greatest, as you can see from this graph. The figure of 2006 is roughly 11%, which is the lowest, as you can see from this graph. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
The graph below shows the relationship between moon and fish. The fish are at the bottom of the water, as we can see for the first quarter moon. Fish begin to swim upwards and are found in the middle of the sea as they progress to the next stage. Then, when the full moon arrives, the fish are dispersed throughout the sea. Finally, during the last quarter moon, the fish are found near the sea's surface. Finally, the image demonstrates that the lunar and fish are closely connected.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.